Well, Jenny Kyodarama, Emma Adam for one touch, and my mom see the movie pay your brother say the online story. Say, brother, make us a bit my friend 0302 294 2313 and 0244 183 230. Now the only needs also. Ebiana, oh, share rocket, Chiakwaya, Alaba, one Sika, if you need any Madina, so Zongo Junction, Uhuano, Adenta Pantan Junction, one Care TV, and a dime back. Online stories. Ebraso say yede ebro ene anope rocket for Adaroma and the online stories ebro my main car say sa number is 0302 294 2313 or 0244 183 230 Jenny Kyo if we rocket for as on there about online stories my major boy cried but some of your text messages about wisdom, Abbey, from Bible, say 1 Kings 8:32. Then hear from heaven and act, judge between your servants, condemning the guilty and bringing down on his own head what he has done. Declare the innocent not guilty and so establish his innocence. And this one says, every Ghanaian should open his eyes simply because politicians are door to door. Those affected judges must bow down their heads in shame, and the patriotism inherent in Dr. Ifrimamu's song, Asem lost their freedom and parliamentary immunity notwithstanding. This fact cannot be. Another one says, freedom of expression always stands out in any genuine and permanent legacy a leader bequeaths to the people he governed. However, its practice in Ghana is something else. And another one getting through here says that in the CPP era became a very dangerous enterprise for many ordinary Ghanaians and high-ranking CPP officials like PKK Kodi and others. I don't get this one. Every Ghanaian has a little percentage of corruption in his blood to survive, but that of our judges is too high, which is bad. James Adane or Moshizongo Ghana. When are we going to stop these scandals? Bribery is everywhere. Now, as we are dealing with the judiciary, the doctors, teachers, politicians, chiefs, journalists, I mean every institution in Ghana now are busy taking bribe. So save us this so-called tapes by Mohammed inside Tamale and also the way Ediaba. You call online stories. So now you call My Joy Online. Anna's video shows Ghana is rotten. Reverend Asante and the chairman of National Peace Council, Reverend Emmanuel Asante, Anna Odinensem Atuje, and outreach as Anna's video on corrupt judges leaves viewers dumbfounded. And also, Anna and also I want to say another one says that Burkina Faso coup leader defies ultimatum, and this one Chefa, My Joy Online. And another one says Justice Derry heads to Supreme Court as Anna's video is screened, and also Enya Chefa My Joy Online. Whole prison inmates battle scabies, and also what really is on there. Now I think the Makala Day Jungle Poor, a documentary about Ghana's rural poor, and Asem and My Joy Online. Adom Online video, partially blind demonstrator slams Omane Boama, and Asem and so on. Say Branche Justice Ajakuma, and also Nina Sabri Bako Ako off no, and Asem na Adom Online. So Eddie Abetuja. So also now call Adom Online. So launch of MPP party cards illegal, national treasurer and Ekusi Senso Anna Odessa same way Eddie Etuja say any card be any patriotic party ni bano enya dia eye papa sa enti ono no de onim ho bibia. Yeah, to us so na make say online or call must we have lost confidence in traditional banks and also want some the business aspect of Adom Online and also Mami Koso now as Nameka say Rocket Father Roma, and a son come over in Kitan, Nano, yet me Eddie Abro, so your bar, Oko Vichubia Toka, a face on Carbonibi, Eba, Ewo Bia, Enya Papa, and what you, Hona, Ohana, Juhuna, Basabasa, Jenny Cure, if you rock Aba, Sebebo, Ama Bibia Timia, because a free rocket for on 0302 294 2313 and 0244 183 230. Jenny Kyo, a one touch. You ever call me try one by a bar. Asem Kesee, near course no other or conference center. The Ghana food be more kind, some for you, Nano, you be yacho, a brave man, who's when you're quenya at Timia Casa, Yakwaba.
No, why should it surprise us? I mean, it's within their right to do that. So, but because it's already before the, we don't want to discuss its merits because we're prejudging matters. Yes, we were expecting to move our motion. They filed their papers late, so there's no problem. I mean, on Friday we'll come and move it.
Do you reckon that the time is sufficient for you to respond to this?
No, the rules would have allowed us to come on Monday, but because of the exigencies of the matter, we agreed to come on.
Of course, the AG was pushing that, you know, the matter be brought forward, that it should be heard earlier than the Friday. You are happy with that?
You served us at 9:15 this morning, and you ask us to come tomorrow to argue. I mean, it's not right. The rules say that you should give 3 clear days notice to the other side. And so we couldn't have been happy with the position she was taking. I mean, we are trying to do things according to the law. If there was a matter of deliberation in it, then it's from the Attorney General, because she filed her papers late. We have filed everything, and I urge the court to decide on the basis of the papers we had filed. But the rule is that if the other side doesn't file papers, they won't be heard. And then the question of natural justice will arise and so on. So I think that the court was minded to give them time so that they will serve us and we will respond and we will come and argue.
You took great issue with the fact that the AG's department had all the time to file it, but decided to do so this very morning.
Yes. Because I've told you that, I mean, we are to be given, each side is to be given sufficient time to file their papers or prepare their case. We gave you 11 days for 8 days. And you come and spring documents on us at 9:15 a.m. this morning. Definitely it's unfair. So if it is unfair, we should kick against it, shouldn't we?
I'm desperate. I want to watch it because people are there that they are doing there are certain things they are doing. It's not fair. And then the previous expose that he didn't ask for people's opinion, but he did it. And then I don't know, the judges owns he's asking people's opinion before he could show it.
If I had the opportunity to watch it, I would have liked it. Yeah, because I'm very much interested in it.
Why are you interested in it?
I'm interested because it is a filthy thing and people must be brought to go. They must be brought to book.
So you think they have to show it? Go ahead and
to show it. Ghanaians deserve it because it is our tax that is being used to pay them. So they have to show it. We need it. In fact, I'm desperate. That I wish I would have wished I were there to view it.
I can't wait to see the video on the expose of Anas because he has exposed a whole lot of people, the customs and other people, the DVLA, and they were all shown on TV. So I strongly believe this one too must be shown on TV so that it will be served as a deterrent for others in the court of law.
If it happens that they show it on television and everyone is watching, we all watch. But if not, I'm okay with it. I just need confirmation of what Anas came out to say, whether it's true or not. So if they show it today, it will be interesting.
I said I want to wear a mask of Anas because he's proud Ghanaian. And any proud Ghanaian want to always do good things for his motherland.
I would love to go and watch it. Because this exposure is too big for the country, because for an institution like the judiciary department to be doing this, no. I don't think it's good for the country. it's not going to help us because instant justice is not going to be served.
If I had the tickets, I would have, but I learned it's by invite, strictly by invitation, so I have no...
You're not desperate to watch.
Oh, probably it might come out in some time to come, so we just hope for the best.
I would really like to be going, but then I haven't gotten a ticket myself, so I think during the day I'll try see if I can get some and I'll go.
I'm desperate to watch. I'm going to the school and I will be watching it. As far as I know where it can be located, I'll go.
I'm saying there's nothing to be happy about. It's a sad day in the history of Ghana, and we should all be crying, and it calls for sober reflection. You know, what do we do to rescue Ghana from this rot that we find ourselves in?
I never thought justice is that cheap in Ghana, and we go ahead bribing the police. I mean, the police commanders charge better than the judges. I am so disappointed. I mean, I think the one that took the best prize was the one that had sex. Ghana should bow our head down in shame. When I started watching the video, I was like, that is why they take bribes. Because if you see the kind of houses they live in, the kind of couches judges have, the kind of dirty environment judges find themselves, then I guess this is what's going to happen. When somebody becomes a politician overnight, being a politician in Ghana right now, it is like winning a jackpot. Overnight, the life changes, the person have a better house, a better car. We should be ashamed of ourselves.
The Bar Association and other governance institutions are very well placed to take appropriate action, both in favor of those who deserve commendation as well as those who may deserve condemnation. And we should leave it to the experts to tell us what to do.
Okay, so no comment. Okay.
And one of my son of Brofago, and one Nkoye. Na Kekoye and Cavaja confirm. Now confirm my eye. A cat and make I know what tonight you are Ajibia.
With my totria.
Aja confirmed by him. I buy him quite a chima cry. Oh, the idea, the boom, na samba. Oh, say, sao, Neacano, when you go there by a see.
Well, as I card or the Kesee, or Gifax father, or the bro. Commercials as you go. I don't want your coach for an answer to come on a couple friendly Liana. Now, while as Miss Obamonia appeal, no, I could see a gun as I was to say, remember, bottle 4 now, as I has no correlation.
There has a bottle 4. Before I was the Barmiame sponsor has a quarter 4. Quarter Comu, I think, no more than 11, oh baby.
Yeah, see what I say, card or the Kesee, bro.